Hello, hello, hello. This is Alice coming to you from Beamer's new crafty corner. That's right, I'm in a new corner. I'm kind of all sort of set up, and I'm not set up, but I'm kind of a mess, but I'm not a mess. I got stuff, and it's all over the place. And so I'm working really hard trying to get settled into my new corner, but it's not my old corner, so it feels a little weird. But I'm here. So we're actually filming on my desk, right? This is my desk, not the table. The table's over there, like where it's always been, but we're filming over here on the desk. I don't know why, but this is where we're filming, and we're gonna see if it works. Okay? So today's Monday. What do we do on Monday? Do we do it? What do we do? What do we do? We go scaventure. So I went scaventures. I got up this morning and I took the shower because I was donkey, and then I went and I got in the car and I went scaventure. So let me show you what I got. Okay, hold on. Okay, so the first thing I got was this. You guys know these. Usually they're purple. These are the boxes that I use to store all my stuffs. This one's got rubber bands, which is good though because I need the rubber bands. So I got all the rubber bands, and it's got the rubber band loom, which I don't want. So that's out of here. But it's got all the rubber bands in it, and I'll save those because I can use the rubber bands for stuff. So, but this basically, I put all my little stuffs in it, like all my trims and things, and buttons and pins and embellishments and stuff, in here. Okay, so we got that. And then I found some bags. I found this bag. So let's see what's in the bag. So open up the bag. And I got these. And the reason I got these was because I had these before, and I sold them, and people liked them, so I got them because they're really cool. And they're like these big file things, like open up like this, and you can put like all your stickers and embellishments in them, and then you can put them in a big book. See, like that. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 new ones, so put those in the sale. Yep, I gotta put them in the sale. And then, then I found these. Now, I had some of these before, but I sold them all out. I don't got them no more. They were thicker than these. These are thin. Whew. Yep. Look at those. They're giant puzzle pieces, like for making big altered puzzle pieces, or you can put gesso on them and use them for mixed media and use them as a canvas. And I got all kinds of them. See, I got a whole bag. See, a big old bag of them. So I got the bag of those. So those are going to go back in the shop. So if you was looking for them, they're back now. Well, they will be tomorrow. What else? Oh yeah, and then I found this. This was fun. Get this out. So these are like 4.5 by 5-inch bags, for like putting stuff in. And like they're not really big enough to put in like, a journal, but they're beautiful little organza bags, and they're kind of cool for sticking stuff in, and then you can pull up on the strings and put the stuff in there. So I thought those were kind of neat, and they're actually purple. I know they look blue, but they're purple. They're purples. So I got those, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs, and there's 12 in each pack, so I got 7. Yeah. So I got those. What else did I get? Look at that. That's parchment paper, and it's a whole box. I mean, it's not a big box, but it's a whole box. See? Look, they got a couple of other kinds of paper in there, but that's no big deal. But look. Oh, wait, because it divides it, because some are like a light gold and some are like a dark gold. I like it. But it's parchment paper, really pretty parchment paper. And I got that, and I paid like $2 for it. No, I didn't even pay how much. I paid $1. Who knows? Maybe $3, something like that. Just a couple bucks. And then I saw this, and I got this. See, look. Organ keyboard guide. Upper organ keyboard guide. I didn't buy it for that. I bought it for this. I got these. And these are music books. Sheet music. And they're not religious. So I got 3 of those. One for memorable favorites, one for mixed moods, and one says young sounds. Let's see what the young sounds are. You and Me Against the World, Helen Redding. Yesterday Once More. Really? Yesterday. We've Only Just Begun. Top of the World. Stand by. What is this? Young Sounds for like 1970? What's the copyright? 1975. Yep. Okay. So this. Bye-bye. This we're keeping. Okay. So the next thing I find was this. And this is just, I mean, it's just a book. You know, it's got a cinch binding kind of thing on it. It's just a book. But look at the paper. It's like unbleached wood pulp paper. And I like paper. I wonder if Hag can dye this. We're going to find out. But I like paper, and this is unbleached paper, and I like that. So I got that. What else do they? Well, I found some of these, and they're just napkins, right? But look at the detail. Look at how pretty. Can you see that? Look at how pretty that is. So I got that, and I got a whole bunch of those. There was like 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 8. So 8 napkins. So I got this really cool fabric. And I thought, you know, somebody was doing like a traveler's journal. This should be cool. It's like all Route 66. And there's the map of the whole Route 66 all the way across the country. And it's a nice size piece of fabric. I'd say it's probably a little over, you know, about a yard, a quarter, yard and a half. And 54 inch, you know, and standard. But it's really pretty and it's really cool. And I thought, you know, doing a traveler's notebook, this would be something that would be really cool for a traveler's notebook. So I got it. What else did I get? Okay, so the other thing I got was this. And I knew this as soon as I saw it. I knew what it was because this stuff's pretty distinctive. This is from Stampin' Up. And I turned it over, and there it is. It's the Stamping Up, Inspire, Create, and Share, Good as Gold, Simply Sent kit. So it makes like some cards. Thank you cards and for you cards and things like that, basically. They're just thank you cards. And it's a whole pack of them, and it looks like it makes 8 cards. So, you know, it's just a card kit. I figured, you know, what the heck, I'll get it. Maybe somebody would like it. So I got it. And then I was like at one of my favorite ones today. And I saw this. Right? So I had to grab this. And these are stencils, embossing folders. So this one is like a paisley. See, like a paisley. And this one says it's Delightful Daisies. So there's daisies in there someplace. I don't know. And then there's this one. And this one is called Splendid Magnificent Harlech Praktik. It's an embossing folder. You see, it's got these little daisy things on it and butterflies. So I found that. So I grabbed those. They're brand new. They're all in the package and everything. And then I saw this one, and I had to grab this one because this was the other one that was there. So I got it. Let me see. So this one, Mediterranean Medallion. So that was kind of a fancy one in the middle. And this one's Royal Wings, and it's like wings with a crown, and that's an embossing folder there. And then there's this one, Floral Jewel, which has got some flowers on it. So we got that one. And this one, which is Garden Delight, which has got some daisies on it. And we got that one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 embossing folders, 4 of the small ones, and 3 of the big ones. And I didn't pay a lot, so you guys aren't going to pay a lot, right? Right. Okay. What else did I get? Oh, yeah, I got this. Haha, look what I got. I got candy. I can't show this on the film, though, because if I show this in the film, which is going to be mad at you. Don't tell her. It's called candy. It's nummy. So that was everything that I got on my Scaventures. And then I got the butterflies back in the store. And I did get some new Christmas ones. So I'm going to be putting some Christmas ones in the store. Probably in the sale. Who knows. But I got new Christmas stickers that are going to be going in the store. Very limited supply, though, okay? Because I don't want to, like, have a whole bunch of them after Christmas. So I got very few of each. Now, I did also get these. And everybody liked these. So I got more of these. I got 4 new sets of these to put in the store. These are the Alchemy ones. So I got 4 sets of the Alchemy. And I have like between 2 and 4 sets of each one of the Christmas ones. So I'm going to take pictures of all of these and put them in the store for you guys. They're real pretty. Right? So I'm going to take pictures of all these and put them in the store. And I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. I don't think I got nothing else. Okay, so you guys know the drill. If you haven't done so, hit the red button and let's be friends. And then like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I got stickers and fabric and candy and embossing folders and stuff. Till the next time, bye-bye.